tickly nose. Every time he giggled or tried to say hi, out came a hiccup that made birds fly. Hiccup, oh what a sound! He hiccuped so hard he bounced off the ground. The monkeys would laugh, the zebras would neigh. Hiccup, the hippos at it today. He drank some water, he held his breath. He even tried spinning in circles till death. But hiccup by hiccup, they just wouldn't stop. One little HIC and he'd belly flop.